Easy come, easy go.
Hey guys, I'm Dukes.
And I'm Tima.
And we are the Duma Family.
Welcome back to the journey.
Welcome guys. So today we're going to take you up close and personal. We are in Niagara Falls in Ontario, Canada. And we're going to go on the Hornblower. It's called the Voyage to the Falls, some cruise. And we're going to take you guys along with us.
Yep, we're going to get up close and personal up to the falls. So I'm excited.
If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that bell so you're notified whenever we post. And let's go have a good time.
Let's go.
Are you ready?
It's windy! And we haven't even left yet. How I look?
You look great.
Gotta be protected. You know what I'm saying? Can't have my hijab flying off. So, gotta tie.
Look to port, or the left side of the boat where we will pass the American Falls. It can best be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller waterfall that lies far to the left of the Horseshoe Falls and is located between Prospect Point and Luna Island.
All right, Duma family, well, we are all done with the Voyage to the Falls. We hope you enjoyed this time with us. Make sure that you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys hit that bell so you're notified whenever we post. and whenever we travel like this. Until next time, I'm Duke.
And I'm Tima.
Take care.